day you will become faster at editing. Shout out to Cheeky Chops in the building. He say y'all feel. He say you the fastest dasher in the rain too. Hell yeah. Intently Purposeful say, how do y'all feel about CapCut for video editing? I feel like CapCut is great for video editing, especially if you are a mobile on-the-go content creator. We all don't have time to stop what we're doing and sit in front of the computer and edit a video with a computer program, but with the CapCut, you are able to edit from your mobile device while on the go. So I really like it. I think it's a really, really good addition to your arsenal of video editing. Or really, CapCut can stand alone and edit videos on its own, even in 4K with a lot of different effects, and it's very user friendly. If you brand new to video editing, I would highly recommend you try CapCut, because even the free version, you're gonna get a lot of benefit out of it, and you will be able to navigate around the learning curve of learning the different ins and outs of editing through CapCut's interactive user app. They basically hold your hand and teach you how to edit videos, and if you already know a little bit about it, then you're really in the right spot, because then you're gonna be able to maximize on all the different features they got. They really should be paying me to say all this, for real. They really should. We need a new glitch on my mama. As soon as I find it, I'm gonna let you know. As soon as I find it, I'm gonna let you know. You better believe that. I'm sure waiting on the next Doordash glitch. But I tell you what though, if you want to get some free food from McDonald's, they always got a promotion on Doordash for like, you spend this much and you get something free, or you buy this meal and you get something free. A lot of times, if you add that meal to your cart, then just like an extra item, it'll subtract the meal cost of whatever discounted or promotional item. So you can mess around and get $25 worth of food for like $7. But I don't really like to broadcast that, because a lot of the broke people like to use it and they're not gonna tip. So I don't want to give somebody a cheat code to get a discount on their food, but then they turn around and not tip. So I'll tell y'all, you know, if it's a McDonald's promotion on Doordash, apply that promotion, add whatever item they promote into the cart, and then add something else to the cart, and you'll see your total decrease. And a lot of times it'll be like less than $10. And then make sure you add a tip too for the driver, because don't be out there getting McDonald's on a discount for like 60% off through Doordash and then not tip your driver. That's not great. So let's not do that. Shout out to everybody in the building. The only way I'll work in the rain is if it's hot and humid. Well, I'm in the Midwest, so hot and humidity, that comes with it. Trader, fastest dasher in the entire Milky Way. Shout out to Noah Nomad. He know what's up. I gotta run between these raindrops. I'll be right back. I'm so fast, the raindrops can't even hit me. I go between them. Yes, sir. Fresh set by Sarah. What's up? I ain't seen you here in a minute. It's been like a whole year. Sarah, where you been at? On my soul, look, if you're trying to become a content creator, go ahead, just download CapCut right now. Download it. Start recording stuff with the same phone you downloaded CapCut with. Okay? And then you can just throw all your video clips in there at one time. You can throw transitions between each and every single video clip. Okay? Like, it's super simple. And then like you can throw captions in there, effects. You can do all the stuff that I took a long time to learn in DaVinci. You can do all of that stuff with CapCut for free, basically. Now, you ain't gonna be able to do everything I can do with DaVinci, but I mean, look, if you want to start getting some monetized videos out there, I would highly recommend you use CapCut. But look, if you edit a video with CapCut, please make sure you delete that CapCut promotional thing at the end. So when you edit a video with CapCut, it automatically gives you a outro, and it says just CapCut at the end. And it's like, it's one of them things where if you're a newbie, you don't know to delete that, just delete that before you publish your video. What's up, Tina? Shout out to all the channel moderators we got up in here and all the channel members. Julie says peace and prosperity. Thanks for this great